하나, 둘, 셋, 치카. Here we go. Will this ever get any better? Will this ever stop killing all my joy? Maybe it'd be best if I don't stay. Oh, every single time it's a battle. Every single thought is a step of faith. God, I hope to see the light of day. I'm made for more than the world has got me for. I am made for more than these. I am made for more than my heart has got me for. I'm made for more than these. Hey, here we go. I wanna trust that I got a good thing, even if I don't deserve it. It's humility, I guess, to divorce myself from the feelings of guilt, but I'm nervous. What if it all just burns? It seems I know with all I'm concerned with. I take my pride and let it die. I wanna live life and feel like I'm worth it, but it doesn't seem worth it. All the hassle and stress, and I don't have anything to offer. I feel more mediocre than the rest. Hey. And is this another test to see the outpour of where this heart rests? I don't know, it's my favorite phrase, but I'm trusting the song to say. Break it down. Where's my peace? My lungs won't let me breathe, and all the broken whispers seem to stay. Ah, da, 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 da. Incomplete. My heart is in defeat. I want to eat, I want to hope and pray. I'm made for more than the world has got me for. I am made for more than these. I am made for more than my heart has got me for. I am made for more than this. I get up and I get down. That's the rhythm of my battle drum. I get up and I get down. I must struggle till the day is done. I get up and I get down. That's the rhythm of my battle drum. I get up and I get down. I must struggle till the day is done. I get up and I get down. That's the rhythm of my battle drum. I get up and I get down. I must struggle till. Every voice telling me that I'm thinking wrong. Change your tune, change your chord, sing that other song. Little brother turned into an insecure man. Any type of criticism make me into lesser than. Never believed I could be right or be me. What is me? They just tell me what I'm supposed to be. Gotta be a brand, but I never really owned it for myself. Now I'm nebulous, I'm tired of it, this stressed my mental health. See my chaos and I know I gotta speak into it. I see my apathy, I know I gotta battle ruthless. I know my father look at me and he is well pleased. The problem is that I ain't good enough for me. I know the best thing for me is you. I know the pain will show the truth. Maybe I am beautiful to you. I just want to be myself. I just want to be myself today. Wanna know just who I am. Wanna know you. I need you to help me understand. Say who I am is beloved. Yeah. Who I am is more than what I've done. So much more. Who I am, yeah, is worthy of some loving. Yes, I'm loving. Who I am has really just begun. This is only who I am is a treasure now. Who I am is royalty in blood. Loyalty. Who I am is a warrior for the kingdom. That's forever, yeah. Who I am has really just begun, yeah. Nobody will know that I'm speaking of my sweat and blood. Only hear they talk of the blessings coming down above. When my praises go up, the blessing come down. But my blessing is to keep me low to the ground. The blessing is needing more love than I ever knew. The blessing is knowing there's nothing I can really do. The blessing is pain, adversity, my own addiction. Cause if I didn't cry and need, then would I really listen? The blessing is losing illusion of my control. The blessing is being betrayed and you bleed slow. The blessing is to feel the discipline of better love. There's better love than self-love, loving from the one. The only one who can take all this craziness. The only father good enough for all the fatherless. I know that my pain, it clarifies the truth. That maybe I am beautiful to you. I just want to be myself. I just want to be myself today. Wanna know just who I am. I need you to help me understand. Who I am is beloved. Who I am is more than what I've done. Who I am is worthy of some loving. Who I am has really just begun. Just begun. Who I am is a treasure, so precious. Who I am, who you are, is royalty in blood, running in my veins. Who I am is a warrior for the kingdom. So get up again. Who I am has really just begun. Yeah. Who I am has really just begun. Hey. Who I am has really just begun. Yeah. What am I supposed to feel when I know that I am wrong? But at the same time I'm forgiven through and through. What am I supposed to feel when the guilt is soaking in? There's your love, it's just the same, but still I knew. A civil war is taking place between my head and heart. It's taking up my arms, my tongue, and all my body parts. And will the cycle of belief in you or myself end? Don't stop giving me grace. And I sing, I won't let me get me down. Yeah, I won't let me get me down anymore. I won't let me get me down, Because the sun illuminates the dark and shines on me. Ba-da-da-da-da. Every day it feels the same. No forgiveness, am I insane? 'Cause I always defeat myself. Oh, I need you. No, I don't need you here right now. Civil war just won't end between my head and heart. Won't you take up my arms, my tongue, and all my body parts. Will the cycle of belief in you or myself end? Make it stop. Don't stop giving me grace. And I sing it right now. I won't let me get me down. I won't let me get me down. I won't let me get me down anymore. Not anymore. I won't let me get me down. Because the sun illuminates the dark and shine. Oh, if they only knew all my troubles, all my pains, all my dirt and all my stains, all my crimes against your fame. Oh, if they only knew that you washed it all away with the blood on Calvary. What a painful, glorious way that you forgave. Hey, that you forgave. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. La da da da. Won't let me get me down. Won't let me get me down anymore. I won't let me get me down. 'Cause the sun illuminates the dark and shines on me.
I grew up in the backseat, looking out the window. I counted all the hours go and wondered why we're going slow. Little did I know the thing about growing old. 'Cause all that I could really see was my mama in front of me. As the scenes passed us by, I think she knew it all that time. It's a fast ride, a fast life, and all she could do was drive.
I didn't have a care. Thought I had lifetimes to spare. I memorized the stars and trees, the sky and the daisies. But little did I know, until I was finally grown, how fleeting this all really feels when I'm sitting at the wheel.
And as the scenes pass me by, how I hate this borrowed time. It's a fast ride, a fast life, and all I can do. I drove into the city where I learned to never sleep. I fell in love so deep, and I gave you my heart to keep. I asked you to ride beside me. Maybe someday I will see, just like my mama before me, wide eyes in the rear view. I see myself